नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे ऑल द मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस ओपनड ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट बट ग्रेजुअली pared gains to close flat. The subdued finish came after the Federal Reserve, as widely anticipated, kept interest rates unchanged. The Fed reaffirmed its commitment to its dual mandate of maximum employment and 2% inflation, maintaining the federal funds rate target range at 4.25% to 4.50%. The S&P 500 continues to consolidate within a narrow band of 6,059 to 5,963 for the past 6 sessions. A decisive breakout on either side could set the stage for a strong directional move. On Wednesday, the Brent crude ended lower by 1.22%. However, the major trend remains bullish as it is quoting above its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of $76.8 to $77 may act as a key resistance, while the support lies around $73.5 to $73.2. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index has been hovering around its 20-day EMA since the last two trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of 99.2 to 99.4 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 98.5 to 98.3 will act as a crucial support. Talking about Nifty's view, on Wednesday, the benchmark index Nifty opened with a minor gap down, but swiftly rebounded during the initial hour of the trade, reflecting early optimism. However, the recovery lacked follow-through, and as the session progressed, the index gradually pared all gains and slipped into a negative territory. Finally, it has ended at 24,812 level with a loss of 0.17%. Over the past 26 trading sessions, the benchmark index Nifty has remained locked within a narrow range of 25,222 to 24,462. Interestingly, 15 of these sessions witnessed a gap up or a gap down opening, underscoring the presence of heightened intraday volatility despite the broader index moving sideways. This choppy movement within a tight band has offered limited opportunities for directional trades, keeping traders on the edge. From a technical standpoint, the prolonged phase of consolidation has notably impacted key indicators. The upward slope of the short and medium term moving averages has slowed down, reflecting a loss of momentum. Simultaneously, the daily RSI continues to move sideways in line with the RSI range shift concept that suggests a lack of directional bias. Moreover, the Bollinger Bands on the daily chart have contracted significantly, a setup known in technical terms as the Bollinger Band squeeze. This formation typically occurs when the volatility drops to low levels and the price trades within compressed bands, often preceding a sharp breakout or breakdown. क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 24,680 टू 24,650 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,650 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट की लेवल 24,500 पर होगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 24,900 टू 24,940 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। On the derivatives front, the June futures dipped by 0.17%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also dipped by 1.23%. The 24,900 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 25,000 strike. On the put side, 24,800 has substantial open interest, followed by 24,700 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.62. Talking about Bank Nifty has been oscillating around its 20-day EMA level, reflecting indecision among market participants. आगे जाके 55,450 to 55,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 55,400 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का लेवल 55,000 पर होगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 56,000 to 56,100 का जोन एक इम्पोर्टेंट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex has also been oscillating around its 20-day EMA level since the last two trading sessions. The momentum indicator suggests sideways action in the index. आगे जाके 81,100 to 81,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 81,900 to 82,000 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.13% and the open interest of the current series has also dipped by 5.22%. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 81,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 80,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.64. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX ended on a negative note for the third consecutive trading session. The advanced decline ratio tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, Nifty IT is likely to continue its outperformance in the short term, while on the flip side, the Nifty Metal, Pharma, Healthcare, PSU Bank, and FMCG are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FI DI data in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buys yesterday to the tune of 891 crores and 1091 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 20.47, as on a net basis they bought 350 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.